Set near the Osa Peninsula along the breathtaking Golfo Dulce and backed by thousands of acres of pristine tropical rainforest, this place is a sanctuary for relaxation and adventure. Welcome to FrogTV, I'm Adam Baker and welcome to Playa Nicuesa Rainforest Lodge. This peaceful refuge is situated on a 165-acre natural preserve next to the Piedras Blancas National Park. It's reached by a short flight into either Puerto Jimenez or Golfito airstrip, followed by a short boat ride. When it comes to sustainability, Nicuesa Lodge is a world leader. This fully eco-resort has multiple certifications and operations you can learn about. This region is one of the most exotic and beautiful destinations in the country. Playa Nicuesa is a great place for swimming, ocean kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding and snorkeling. The rainforests of Piedras Blancas National Park offers picturesque trails for hiking, leading to magical waterfalls. Night tours are a must for nature lovers when this place really comes to life. The wellness experience at Playa Nicuesa is unique. By hosting a year-round certified practitioner allows for the opportunity to provide guests with daily yoga sessions, as well as a variety of massage options to balance a heightened sense of well-being. The spacious cabins, suites and guest houses feature jungle chic decor and comforts designed to indulge your senses. Each retreat, separate from the main lodge, features private entrances, beautiful hardwood floors, open-air showers, all with rainforest views. Masterfully designed, the open-air canopy-level restaurant showcases Costa Rican cuisine with an emphasis on fresh fish, tropical fruits, and locally grown vegetables. Nicuesa Lodge, ideal for those looking to have a true, deep connection with nature. The location is incredible and it really is off the beaten path right here in the rainforest. If you're interested in a visit, click just here. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe with us by clicking here to stay in touch with everything Costa Rica related. For FrogTV, I'm Adam Baker. Hasta la próxima.